up, and Zach with a brand new video. And today I have 15 squishies through my 100 and plus squishies. First one is this cupcake squishy. I like it because it's like silver, like bluish. Next one is this apple, small apple. I like small squishies. Next one is this Squish Delish. It has the logo on the back. And this is a mermaid. Next one is this ice cream with a mandarin on it with, I think, whipped cream and strawberry filling. Next one is this bread. It used to have a face, but I took it off. Next one is this dessert. I colored it because it had this like purple and it had a purple strawberry. I don't know, it was supposed to be a strawberry, but I wanted it to be a strawberry, so I colored it. I also colored this panda. Because I put glow in the dark and some like design, and I put it like it was crying. This was also scented, I think, mango, or it either was strawberry. Back here. Next one is this raccoon in a spaghetti thank you box. I think it has the cookie from what you get in the Chinese food box. You're just like peeking out through there. Next one is these French fries. I put stripes on it, but the red, I think it just faded away, or the red was just like the same color. And I also put some like yellow on it, but I don't think you could see it. It's blending in with the fries. I also put red, and then I put like, I made it seem like it was ketchup and mustard. Next one is this Galaxy dog. I really like the shading on this one and all the little dents. I squeezed them right there. Looks like it's mad and chubby. Right there on the legs. Next one is this Pooh Unicorn Galaxy. I love Galaxy. This is from Squish Delish. The logo is right there. Oh no. Okay. Next one is this hamburger. It had this little bubble, so I just like ripped it off, and then ever since that I was like, what am I supposed to do with it? And then I was like, I could just make a bite mark. So I just made it a bite mark. I really like this because it's super smooth. The next one I like too. This is a super cake, big cake. I like different textured squishies. This one has strawberry, and I think it's vanilla and whipped cream on the top. And also has strawberries on the side too. This is my unicorn rainbow cream puff. I love this unicorn rainbow cream puff. It smells super fruity to me. I just love the glitter on it. I don't know if you can see it from the... But this is probably my second favorite one, or first, because this one. I like the squishy just because like the glitter the like little balls on it is when you squish it, they don't come off. And usually when some of them have like, like sprinkles or these, they will, like, once you squish it, they will fall off. And I like the little powder, and it looks like a chocolate bow. Here's a tag. So here are my all 15 squishies. My top favorites are this one, this donut, this galaxy dog, this poop unicorn, and this jumbo cake. I hope you guys like this video. If you did, smash that like button and also subscribe and like and share. And also follow me on Instagram. Bye!